Hi guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik. Welcome to my beautiful orchard over here in Moore Park, Southern California. And today is very simple topic: how soon will my flower bloom? Okay, so the first sign, one of the multiple videos that I released, it's a balloon effect. Okay, I'm going to show you example over here. I'm just on my knees right now. So this is the sugar dragon. Okay, you can see the balloon effect of the flower, which is happening just probably 3 to 4 hours before the bloom. So right now 6 p.m. It's gonna start fully open 10 p.m. tonight, but you can see it's already start opening. The stigma is trying to push forward, and it's already very nice and soft. Okay, so don't miss, if you ever miss the flower and everything. So if this flower is already bloomed 2 days ago, this flower was bloomed this morning, already closed. Okay, you're looking for a balloon effect with pointy nose, and the bees already coming in, so they know where to identify which flower was planning to bloom, because it has a fragrance. Okay, and I'll show you a tiny stigma is already here trying to break through. Okay, so that's the stigma over here. Okay, so so I'm gonna close it, keep it closed, and as soon as the flower will open, it takes time a little bit to dry for the pollen's still wet inside, so it takes a little bit time to dry. And of course bees will come over and definitely will take opportunity to grab some pollen from those plants. Okay, so here we go. So those two will bloom tonight on this part. This is gonna bloom probably in couple days. Still pointy, still attached, all the petals attached to the flower. Okay, this will bloom. You see, you squeeze it, you see right now the white petals already start to show off. And here goes another example. The first is gonna break, the stigma is gonna come out first. Okay, so here you go. The sugar dragon is beautiful. Lots of varieties already pollinated. See, we're already trimming the flower, which is already drying out, so we remove them to prevent any moisture, fungus and everything. Sugar dragon is really the best. Here we go, guys. So balloon effect. Okay, you now know how to identify. There is another video how to identify based on the size of the flower, between the red flower, like you can see, AX red flower, Bruni, and Coneymeyer. Okay, the size of the red flower much smaller. It's about probably 9 to 10 inches long when it starts blooming, and the white flower is usually from 10 to 12 inches long flower, and some of them diameter up to 1 foot diameter. Like my Martin variety has a nice and beautiful 1 feet long flower, and diameter of the flower is around probably 1 feet. Here's the purple haze over here. So see, it's already opening and it's getting ready. Okay, so stigma is closed, stigma still closed. Okay, so we just need to get some little time. This flower was bloomed last night, and everything is weak, and it's already trying to close for a long time, and that's it. After like a week, we'll definitely know if that flower was pollinated successfully, and we're gonna get the fruit. Okay, greetings. So please, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please push the like button. Very important, not just for me, for my beautiful owl, which is supposed to protect my plants over here, and she probably does. She has to turn the head with the wind. Come on, sweetie, you got to do your job. I paid $30 for you. You got to move it. Okay, wish you all the best, guys. It's a great long weekend, but definitely farmers will never stop working. I'll be coming back to pollinate either tonight or tomorrow early in the morning, and that's going to be pushing until late December. Cheers, guys, and wish you all the best. And definitely don't forget, this is Memorial Day. We commemorate all the fallen soldiers that were served in the United States Army. Okay, salute to all of you guys. Peace. Have a great weekend. And if you need to come over to visit my orchard, Looking forward to see you guys. My cell number is 323 area code 547-1273, and there is always dragonfruitmania.com. Okay, bye bye. Cheers to all.